is Sheila and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I have my Stitch Fix and we're going to go ahead and we're going to get straight into the try on portion. But before I do, I just want to say if you don't know what Stitch Fix is a styling service. I will leave all the information in the description box down below. Just click on the show more button and it will give you a brief description of what it is and also a link that if you would like to try it for your first time, you will get a $25 credit to use towards anything you want to purchase in your first box. And also I created a 3-minute little video that will also walk you through. If you don't want to read, just click on the little video link right here and it'll take you and walk you straight through. Now, before I begin showing you what I got in today's box, this shirt was out of my last month's Stitch Fix. If you want to see that video, if you missed it, I will leave the link right up here. But with that said, let's go ahead. Let's get straight into the try on. As you can see, the box is small. As everyone knows, when the boxes start getting small, that means warm weather's here. So, and then in the winter, they get really big. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's see what I got in this month's box. Okay, I have the first 2 items on out of the box, and we will start with the top, and then we'll talk about the bottoms. This top is by Papermoon, and this is called the Quarterly Tie Sleeve Blouse in light green, size large for $44. Okay, now this is completely my style. I love this blouse, and I'm gonna have to look in my closet because the only downfall about this blouse is I don't have the exact same blouse, but I think I have something super similar. So in the wrap up, I will see if I can find it and compare because I don't want to double buy if it's already so similar. But this is definitely my style. It's 100% polyester. It's very lightweight. It's great for summertime. I love the little neckline there, right there with the little peekaboo detail. And I'm a sucker for bow details. I just love a little feminine details like that. It does have a little bit of elastic, but it is not tight on my arms at all. It's very lightweight and comfortable. It has these little like white polka dots right here in the arms that would look great with some white capris, a white skirt, yeah, some white shorts. I think it would look really cute. I have it front tucked right here, but in the back you can see it goes down a little bit long. So overall, a lovely blouse. I like the price. I love the details. It's just going to depend on if I already own something that's so similar. Now these pants I'm going to back up, and now the thing about these pants are I requested some capris, and these are capris. Yeah, but it's just I don't think they're capris for me. These are but by Democracy, and these are called the Karessa Capri Skinny Jeans in the color indigo, size 12 for $76. Now, right here in the style card, this is the way they styled it. You can see they just have them rolled one time. But to me, these are just regular jeans. Like if I unroll them, these are perfect length, great length for me for normal actual jeans, but they are not what I consider a capri length jean. I love the little distressing right here. It has some distressing here. It's the Absolution jeans that are super comfortable, super stretchy. I love Democracy jeans. I've never tried a pair. Well, I have tried a couple pair that I don't like, but it's rare because I'm really a big fan of Democracy jeans. It's just the only thing is I do not consider these capris, and I'm looking for capris because we are moving into warm weather right now. But also, by the way, if you see these shoes, I saw these on Angela Mason's channel. She did a Walmart haul, and I ended up buying those, and I ended up buying a whole bunch of other things. I got a big Walmart haul coming up, guys. So make sure you click on the subscribe and click on that little bell because when I upload my Walmart haul, you will be notified right away. So please help me out. I'm also trying to get to the 1K mark, and I would really appreciate it. But if you like these shoes, I will leave a link for them in the description box down below. Let me back up and show it to you real good again. They wrap around the ankle like this. Now they come in normal widths and wide widths, And I have very wide feet. I always say I have like Fred Flintstone feet. They're like this, you know. So I always get wide widths, and I'm glad these shoes are super comfortable. They come in 3 colors. They come in the black that I have on now. They come in white, and they come in clear. Now I went online, and I would have went ahead and ordered all 3 of them, but they didn't have them in my size. They only had it in black. So I am going to be keeping an eye out, because you will see me, once I like something, I'm one of those people. I will buy it in every color, if you know what I mean. Okay, so remember, hit the subscribe and stay tuned for that Walmart haul. I got a lot of items in this Walmart haul coming up. Okay, so we got 3 more shirts. I will be back with the next item. Okay, I'm back with the next top, and this is by Westkey, and as a matter of fact, the next 2 tops are also by Westkey, so they're kind of knowing I like Westkey and Democracy. This is called the Allan Surplus Rolltab High-Low in the color blue, of course, with white stripes, size large for $46, and I like the price too. Now, this is pretty much nailing my style too. Oh, I hope I didn't break my glasses. Ah! This is nailing my style too. I like that it's blue and white, so it could, just like the other shirt with the polka dots, with the white polka dots, this could be the same way. You could put it with white capris, or like I have right now with blue jeans. I love the neckline. I love a V-neck. I think it's just the most flattering neckline for me. It is fixed right here, so you don't have to worry about it popping open or anything. Now, this is a roll tab sleeve. It is fixed right here. It does not unbutton. But I like the way this one hangs on me. I like the arm length. I think that's very cute detail. I like that it's a little bit longer in the back. And when I do wear white denim, I like having that feature of making sure the bum's covered up. And I like it also with just like what it is with like blue jeans. I think it makes a nice casual, easy to wear, nice look, especially when I'm feeling fluffy in the middle. This hides all that. So, no, I'm liking this box, guys. Besides, I wanted capris, and I don't have capris. They're going to make it hard on me, aren't they? Okay, so I will be back with the next blouse. Stay tuned. Okay, here's the next top. Like I said, this is also by Westkey, and this is the Talina tie front blouse in the color orange, size large for $44. Yeah, they're going to make this box hard on me, guys. I don't know what I'm going to do. Why do I keep dropping my glasses? I gotta put another place. They didn't break that time, or the first time. Oh, I hope they didn't break the time. I'm not looking. I'm not gonna put them there anymore. But anyway, let's start talking about this shirt. They're really getting my style. This is very boho. I also like I like feminine, and I also like boho. It's a style that I like going to, and that's exactly what this style is. It is also a V-neck front. It's got these cute little baby like buttons right here. They're not workable. They're just a design. It is a roll tab sleeve, just like the other one, but it is fixed. And it has a little bow detail right there. And that's the way it looks in the back. It fits nice. It's not snug. It is 100% polyester, because when I first saw it, I thought, oh, is this going to be a rayon? Because I've made a commitment. I'm not buying rayon tops anymore because they shrink on me. But this was not rayon. This is a polyester, so I don't have to worry about it shrinking. And I like the color. I like when I want a boho shirt. This is definitely a boho shirt, and the little bow detail, once again, feminine and cute. So yeah, this is going to be a hard one for me. Okay, I have one more blouse coming up. Don't know what it's going to look like on me, but it's looking promising. So I'll be back with the last one. Here is the last top, and like I said, this is also by Westkey, and this is the Allan Surplus Roll Tab blouse in the color purple for $42. Okay, I'm going to put my glasses over here today. That way, they're not going to break. Okay, come on, let's talk about this blouse. I think they sent me this in my last fix, and they sent me the wrong size, and I complained about it. But I think it was in a different color, but they resent it to me, and they sent it to me in the right size this time, and I really like it. I love the purple in the white floral. This just screams spring, summertime to me. Did I even say that right? This screams spring, summer, whatever. You know what I'm saying. It's lovely. It looks like a Hawaiian shirt almost. It is a roll tab sleeve just like the other ones. It's fixed. It does not bother me. I like that. I also love the cream color flowers in it. It does come down a little bit longer in the back, and it's fixed just like the other one. So of course I like this top too. So I have a big dilemma with this box, and I'm going to have your help on this one, because I can honestly tell you, as of right now, I do not know what I'm going to do, because I like everything in this box. But here is my dilemma. Okay. First off, let me tell you, if I buy everything, and if you buy all 5 items, you'll get the 25% discount. My box comes to $252.63. If I keep everything, they knock $63 off. And I also have a credit of $61.65. So if I buy all 5 pieces, it would be $127.35. So that is not bad for 5 pieces of clothes, especially Democracy jeans. But my problem is, first off, I wanted capris, and these are normal jeans to me. But they would basically be free with the discount of, you know, I would get 25% off. So I'm undecided on whether I should do 5 for 5 on this one. I love the top. I love the jeans. I love the blue and white one. It's just like this one. I like it a lot. I like the boho top. But the other problem I'm having, guys, is like I told you, this is the one they sent me in this box, and I really loved it too. But here is the one that I got in a previous fix. And you can see, yes, they're different shades of green, but they are super, super similar. The necklines are the same. This one has a bow in the front, and this one has the bows on the arms. So while they're different, they're very similar. So what should I do, guys? If you were me, would you keep all 5? And if you wouldn't keep all 5, I'm going to have to only keep 2 items. So you tell me what your 2 favorite items are. That would help me out. So I hope I wrap that up without rambling too much. I feel like I'm rambling a lot today. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like I said, I have my Walmart haul coming up. I got a lot of fun, good stuff coming up. So definitely make sure you're subscribed and hit that little bell. And if you like my video, hit the like button, because that really helps me out. I'm getting close to the 1K mark, and I'm trying to get over that hump. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.